Listen. You can hear the constant drone of the male cicadas in the background. It is always just below a C-sharp in pitch. It can be heard through walls, and it never stops until nightfall. It begins at sunrise. Every 13 years in the southeast, one of nature's most unusual arrivals happens. After living underground for 13 years, cicada nymphs emerge and make an amazing transformation into red-eyed, lacy-winged adults looking for a mate. Periodical cicadas are grouped into 30 different broods. Our brood is Brood 19, also known as the Great Southern Brood, and can be found in Alabama, Arkansas, Georgia, Indiana, Illinois, Kentucky, Louisiana, Maryland, Missouri, Mississippi, North Carolina, Oklahoma, South Carolina, Tennessee, and Virginia. The emerging nymphs climb into trees and bushes where they complete their transformation into adults. Their enormous numbers help ensure their survival. At their peak, there can be as many as 1.5 million cicadas in an acre. After mating, the females cut V-shaped slits in the vegetation and lay their eggs. 6 to 10 weeks later, the eggs hatch and the nymphs drop to the ground, where they burrow underground and start the 13-year cycle all over again. The sound they make is produced in their tymbals, which are located in the male cicada's abdomen.